brothers, sons of Frederick Law Olmsted, who was perhaps...
This is one of the few remaining, and actually it's about the only one that does it the way we do it, house to house.
You're supposed to go with the boat. You don't want to go at it, because if it's like you versus the boat's going to win and you're going to fall. So they wanted you to go with the boat so then it's an easier landing.
It's a 7-day-a-week thing. You know, we have mail Monday through Saturday, and then mail and then newspapers on Sunday. So.
I went, delivered the mail on my way back. Thought I could make it. I just attempted to make it. I guess I couldn't, but I attempted it.